avocado, juicy cherry tomatoes, and top it off with marinated tofu for protein. Add some crunchy sunflower seeds and drizzle with a homemade creamy vegan ranch dressing for that perfect, zesty finish. Snack: when afternoon hunger strikes, it's time for a tasty, energizing snack. We're making energy balls with peanut butter, oats, and dates, a no-bake, bite-sized snack packed with nutrients and perfect for a quick energy boost. They're chewy, naturally sweet, and great for satisfying any cravings without compromising on health. For dinner, we'll indulge in a comforting bowl of vegan mac and cheese.